Welcome to our in-depth review of the best makeup combo in 2025, a revolutionary pairing designed to elevate every beauty routine. Today, we explore its performance, texture, and lasting impact. Stay until the end to discover a surprising feature that sets this combo apart from every product released this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start with the video. Number 3. The 12 Color Pro Makeup Kit for Women. A complete all-in-one set designed for beginners, beauty lovers, and anyone who wants a flawless makeup routine in one package. Stay with me until the end to see why this kit is becoming a favorite gift choice in 2025. This makeup kit features a 12-color eyeshadow palette that blends effortlessly with impressive pigmentation. The shades range from soft neutrals to bold glam colors, allowing you to create everyday looks or dramatic evening styles. The formula feels smooth, builds beautifully, and encourages creativity for all makeup skill levels. The included liquid foundation and concealer offer a natural, even finish with reliable coverage. They blend seamlessly into the skin, minimizing imperfections while maintaining a lightweight feel. Whether for daily wear or special occasions, the complexion products help achieve a polished, radiant look that lasts throughout the day. The liquid lipstick delivers long-lasting color with a comfortable matte texture that doesn't dry out the lips. The blush adds a fresh, glowing finish that enhances the overall face makeup. Together, these products create balance, dimension, and charm, making them essential parts of this all-in-one kit. The set includes makeup brushes, a sponge, eyebrow soap, and a winged eyeliner stamp. These tools are practical, beginner-friendly, and help simplify the entire application process. The eyeliner stamp deserves special mention. It creates quick, clean wings that stay sharp and smudge-resistant all day. With its waterproof, long-lasting formula, this kit keeps your look fresh from morning to night. It's ideal for daily routines, parties, and festive events. The wide range of colors and products makes it a perfect gift for holidays, birthdays, and anyone who loves experimenting with makeup styles. The 12 Color Pro Makeup Kit delivers value, versatility, and performance in one convenient package. Whether you're gifting it or using it yourself, it offers everything needed for a complete makeup experience. A fantastic all-in-one choice for beauty lovers in 2025. Number 2. The Wet n Wild MegaGlo Blushlighter Highlight Bling. A beautiful blush and highlighter duo made to sculpt, glow, and enhance every skin tone. Stay with me until the end to see why this affordable product is becoming a favorite for achieving a radiant, camera-ready finish. The MegaGlo Blushlighter features a soft, blendable formula that melts effortlessly into the skin. Both blush and highlighter offer smooth application without patchiness. The microfine pearl pigments create a luminous sheen that builds beautifully, allowing users to customize their glow, from subtle radiance to bold, eye-catching brilliance suitable for any occasion. Each duo includes 2 levels of intensity, making it versatile for multiple looks. The blush adds natural warmth, while the highlighter delivers shimmering brightness. Whether layered together or worn separately, this product adapts to all skin tones and makeup styles. Its flexibility makes it an excellent option for beginners and makeup enthusiasts alike. Number 1. The All-in-One Makeup Kit for Women. Full Kit Makeup Set Box 3. A complete beauty solution designed for beginners and professionals. Stay with me until the end to discover why this kit is considered one of the most versatile and gift-worthy makeup bundles available today. This all-in-one kit offers a massive range of shades and products to help you create any look you imagine. From eyeshadow and concealer to foundation, blush, lip colors, and more, it ensures full face coverage. The elegant gift box makes it ideal for personal use and for gifting to loved ones. Each formula feels soft, creamy, and easy to blend, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced users. Colors are smooth and flexible, allowing for layering and mixing. Whether you're covering blemishes, evening skin tone, or adding dimension, the products deliver comfortable application and natural-looking results across various skin types. The powders in this kit feature a finely milled, waterproof texture that enhances blendability and durability. The eye products, in particular, hold their vibrancy throughout the day. With improved formulation, the kit ensures your makeup stays intact longer, resisting smudging and fading for reliable, long-lasting wear from morning to night. Beautifully packaged and incredibly versatile, this kit makes a thoughtful present for birthdays, holidays, and special celebrations. Ideal for teens, adults, and makeup enthusiasts, its range of shades suits multiple complexions and occasions. Whether for Valentine's Day, Christmas, or everyday gifting, it delivers a well-rounded beauty experience. LAZORA provides strong customer support, ensuring a smooth experience. If products arrive damaged, missing, or defective, their team responds quickly with helpful solutions. This commitment makes purchasing the kit worry-free. The variety, quality, and dependable service together create an excellent choice for anyone building or upgrading their makeup collection. Overall, this all-in-one kit is a versatile, gift-ready bundle that delivers value, quality, and creativity.